Winter Storm Fern is tearing across the U.S., expected to affect over 200 million people across 35 states. With historic ice and snow causing mass disruption, nearly 800,000 people are already without power. 15 Florida public power utilities sent more than 185 workers to Georgia and South Carolina to assist with power restoration efforts, says the Florida Municipal Electric Association. Meanwhile, the Panhandle is bracing for its coldest snap of the year. Remember to protect the 4 Ps: people, pets, plants, and pipes.